What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft Let's Play. We are exploring the Amazon rainforest, and we are looking for top 10 of our favorite species here. Alright, I got my trusty bamboo raft here. Let's get going. Something behind me. That is an invasive species that is not supposed to be here.
Post-production Jonas here. Two of the unique fish species are the red-bellied piranhas, which are the fish that bite your face off in the movies, and also the Bahia vampire fish, which just looks like a scary underwater vampire.
Another species here. Parrots.
Actually, macaws.
And also frogs. Kill the stupid frogs.
The Amazon is the home to many types of frogs, including the colorful, poisonous dart frogs.
Get out of here. Next up on the list, giant water lilies. I think I got one here next to my rotten flesh. These things are all over the Amazon. Next up, we have these yellow kitty ocelot thingies that are in fact in the Amazon.
The Amazon is also home to many mangrove trees, with the only freshwater ones in the world.
Pitcher plants. These things. What is this thing? Finally found it. Moss.
Moss grows heavily on the Amazon floor.
Aha. Okay.
This is where chocolate comes from.
Cocoa beans. Make chocolates. Now it's time for the bonus species. That's right, the Amazon has the world's only freshwater dolphins.
Pink dolphins are freshwater dolphins that live in the Amazon River. Unfortunately, they're in a vulnerable status right now due to dams that fragment their population and contamination of the Amazon Delta. Now, we wouldn't really miss them on an ecological level, but they're kind of cool, so I hope they don't go away. The Amazon is one of the rainiest places in the year, with only 165 days of sunshine actually, and with 2 to 3 meters of rainfall per year. This makes them very subject to severe flooding, but also severe droughts at the same time. And the average temperature is 83 Fahrenheit, and the average low is 73 Fahrenheit, showing this does not have a huge temperature variation. It makes it a very tropical place to live. Very humid. I wouldn't like to live here.
Is that diamonds? Diamond.
The Amazon has non-renewable resources such as gold, iron, copper, even diamonds. It actually has the largest copper store of anywhere on Earth, though. Some renewable resources are timber, which, being the largest rainforest on Earth. The most important resource it has is the fact that it creates 20% of all oxygen for our planet, making it a place that we miss very much. Over from Africa and have actually bred and hybridized with other bees. to form an ultra-aggressive bee species within the Amazon. Now, it's not that big of a problem, except that it can be a serious threat to people and animals when they have a tendency to swarm and attack people when they're provoked. Now, unlike other species, I actually found a story on how they got here. In the late 50s, a man by the name of Warwick Ferd was trying to breed the African bees with the local bee population, which was just European bees, when the bees accidentally swarmed and got released, going into all of the entire Amazon basin, just because one guy brought some over and tried to breed some.
Can I possibly be? Well, there's a principle in nature that almost every creature knows, called survival of the fittest. And check it, this is how it goes. The animal that wins gotta scratch and bite and claw and bite and punch. And the animal that doesn't, well, the animal that doesn't winds up someone else's la 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 lunch. I'm just saying, how bad can I be? Doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? I'm just following my destiny. How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? How bad can I possibly be? There's a principle in business that everybody knows is sound. It says the people with the money make this ever-loving world go round. So I'm bigger in my company, I'm bigger in my factory, I'm bigger in my corporate sign. Everybody out there, you take care of yours, and me, I'll take care of mine.
Shake that bottom line.
Let me